Good morning, everybody. This is Pierce here with Finance with Pierce with another morning market overnight recap and what I'm going to look forward to today as we begin trading. Looking at the NQ, you can see that it is down quite a bit, approximately 1% as of 4 o'clock this morning, Arizona time. As I was saying, we were looking for it to maintain that 4,100, and it's looking like it's going to bounce right off that 24100. If we open at these extended levels, I'm going to look again, do what I like to do, and sell that premium. This is a key resistance. If we fall below this, as I was saying yesterday, it's going to be that 23,839, which was, I think that was the close of a couple days ago. So we'll go back down to that. Since Monday, we've been above that, but look for us to fall back down below that. That's another key support. But whenever the market opens at these extremes, I usually like to give it about 30 minutes to an hour, let those first couple candles open up, and then wait and see if we're trending towards those extremes. And that's, for me, it's been a pretty efficient way to sell premium using what I consider to be like the mean reversion. And it's been pretty effective. So I'm going to continue to do that. And then looking at the CL, yeah, we ripped up to around 94 overnight. There's been a huge inverse correlation between the price ever since Monday's announcement, between NQ going up and CL going down. So we'll look to see if that's still going to work. I've only traded CL once this week because I don't like how whipsaw it's been, but I'm definitely going to keep looking at the NQ, or correction, the NDX entry prices as it stays the way it has been. So just to recap, looking at the NDX to more than likely gap down and then mean revert back to where its close was yesterday. And we're going to stay in that range like I've been talking about, between the 24,500 and the 23,839. Right now we're bouncing off that 24,100, which is a key level for a lot of the options. Fall below that, and it's a look out below for a little. What I'm going to be looking for today after the initial market open is if we continue the downtrend towards that lower level I spoke of earlier, or if we're going to bounce up to the previous day high, low, close. Like I said earlier, I like to keep it extended for a little bit. See that first 30-minute. If it fills with a big body bar, not a big bottom or top wick, and that shows a good trend. But if there's it gaps down and then there's a big red wick below it and it starts going green, I'll probably wait for that second 30-minute bar and see if it starts trying to fill the gap. And I'm speaking NDX, not NQ. I like to trade options on the sell premium on the NDX versus the NQ. But yeah, so I'll be looking to see if we stay extended on the NDX, or if it tries to, because with the NQ down around 1%, it's going to gap down, and then it has a tendency to mean revert, fill the gap, and then trend whatever way. So I'll be posting an update about hour after market open. So if you like this type of content, let me know what your thoughts are, what action you're trying to take today, or if you're just going to watch it. Some have said the stock market is like one of those old daytime soap operas. Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks.